Hi there, here's Xiaomi's newly launched Mi Neckband Bluetooth Earphones Pro. Man, that's a long name. But what's truly exciting about this one is that it comes with ENC and ANC, which means electronic noise cancelling and active noise cancelling. What else do you want? Yes, it even claims to produce deeper bass, provide 20 hours of battery and IPX5 rating. So it should be ideal to wear to the gym or for a run. So let's unbox it and check it out. If this is your first time here, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So here is the retail packaging of the Mi Neckband Bluetooth Earphones Pro. It also mentions dual noise cancelling, ANC and ENC, powerful bass driver, up to 20 hours playback, IPX5 splash and sweat proof. You have the picture, Mi Neckband Bluetooth Earphones Pro. Behind here are some manufacturing details and MRP. Alright, pretty basic. Let's unbox it. Inside the box is the Mi earphones, a micro USB to USB charging cable, 2 pairs of ear tips and a user manual. Let's start with the physical overview. So it's got a neckband design obviously, and the best part of neckbands is, unlike TWS which you have to remove and put in the case every time, neckbands simply hang around your neck when you aren't using it, and the best part is they're easily accessible when you need them. It weighs just 36 grams and sits comfortably around your neck. You don't feel a thing. The material of the neckband is soft and is made of silicone rubber material and is extremely flexible. You can literally twist it in whatever way you want and keep it in your pocket as well. It has a textured design, making it look really premium and well built. The bottom capsule are made of plastic with a glossy finish and even a matte touch on the front. The good thing is that the weight is very well balanced. They also have controls on the side which are easily accessible when you're wearing the band. Let's check it out. So here's a micro USB charging port. I could be nitpicking, but I would have preferred a USB-C any day. Then here are up and down multi-function buttons, power, pairing button and microphone. You can adjust the volume, change tracks, answer reject calls and even enable voice assistant, Siri for iOS and Google Assistant for Android. And inside here is the ANC on-off toggle button. Moving up, the earbuds have soft ear tips and they look really nice. It comes with 2 extra pairs in the box of different sizes. Frankly, I was good to go with the medium ones that came attached. Coming to the fit, so they create an extremely good seal and they didn't hurt even after wearing them for a couple of hours. The earbuds have a matte finish and they also have magnets in them, so you can click them, lock them around your neck. Alright, so let's talk about the sound. So bass lovers are absolutely going to love it. Thumping deep bass. Drums and beats are going to be like a treat to your ears. The good thing is that even the mids and highs are impressive. Instrument separation is crisp and they sound like premium earbuds, without a doubt. Now the highlight of these earphones is ANC. One click on the button and you hear a bell-like sound and it actually cancels all the external sound. It doesn't create a vacuum-like feeling like we hear with some ANC headphones. Those actually give you a headache after a while. The Mi earphones don't do that, which is why I'm actually liking them. Press the same button again to turn it off. The sound quality is a tad better without the noise cancelling turned on, but you'll have to really hear it again and again to recognize the difference. Overall, I can say good sounding earphones with good amount of noise cancelling. Also remember, with ANC on, battery life will be lesser. Talking about battery life, the earphones come with 150 mAh battery that provide 20 hours of music playback. Now that time will depend on how much you use ANC, the volume you are listening music at, or even how much you use them for phone calls. But expect 15 to 18 hours on a single charge, which if you ask me is really good considering these come with ANC. Also used the earphones briefly for phone calls and it was clear both ways. Even outdoors, the opposite person didn't complain of any disturbance. So if you are in a noisy gym or sitting on your office desk, you can comfortably use these for calls. Also tested them while gaming and there's absolutely no lag at all. Xiaomi claims these come with low latency audio and they truly didn't disappoint. If I had to pick out the cons, I would have preferred a USB-C charging port to a micro USB. I know, I've already mentioned that before, but that's just me. Probably it won't matter to others. Then no dual pairing feature. That is something I really loved with the Redmi Sonic earphones. It actually comes so handy. you can connect the same earphones to your laptop and to your phone and use them seamlessly. Unfortunately, the feature is missing on these. But let's look at it this way. Good audio, excellent bass, active noise cancelling and electronic noise cancelling, long battery life, IPX5 rating so it can be worn at the gym or even for a run, and impressive build quality. It's something we all look for in earphones. However, currently we don't have the price. We'll mention it in the description or I'll put it up in the title, but these definitely look promising. I'll leave the links in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check these out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, feedback or complaints, mention it down in the comments. All are welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.